Hello, with Owen's Treats. For today's video, we're going to be making something very easy because it's my birthday in 2 days. By the time this comes out, it'll be past my birthday, but my birthday is in 2 days. I thought I'd make something that I enjoy eating and something that's really easy in fact. Today we will be making strawberry mousse. I like all things strawberry. I thought I'd make something with using the blender. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video. Alright, so 4 ingredients. 8 ounces of cream cheese to room temperature, 4 ounces or half a cup of yogurt, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 5 medium-sized strawberries, sprinkles, and so I don't have any birthday themed sprinkles, but I do have these. But with that, let's get into our first step. So to begin, we're going to blend up our strawberries first. So now that our strawberries have come to a completely blended texture, we're going to move on to our next step, which is adding the rest of our ingredients. This is our powdered sugar, our vanilla, and our cream cheese. And now we're going to completely blend this on our smoothie mode of our blender. And there we have it, fully blended strawberry mousse. And so we are going to pour it into some sort of clear glass that you have. And what we're going to do is that we're going to put this into the fridge for anywhere from around 15 to 20 minutes, just so it sets. And when it sets in the fridge, it's going to get a lot thicker, and then I will show you the final result. Here is our finished strawberry mousse out of the refrigerator, and it's thickened quite a bit. So I'm going to add some sprinkles on top. And here is our fully finished strawberry mousse. Thank you guys for joining me on an episode of Owen's Treats. I'm going to enjoy this. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!